Hey there, my crafty friends. Welcome back to the attic. Whether your hands are full of scraps or you're just gathering supplies, I'm really glad you're here with me today. Let's talk a little bit about what's going to be going on here for the rest of November and into December. For the rest of November and all the way to December 31st, I will be continuing the daily short videos following our journal Jubilee's affirmations. So be sure to check out those daily videos. But also for December, I am in a couple of collaborations that I want to tell you about. As you can see, on my desk is a really large box. I will be participating in Defember this year again with Stacy over at Crafty Dragon Creations, following the idea that Louisa Heinzel and 49 Dragonflies have done with their Defember videos so far this year. We have exchanged boxes that have supplies and ephemera in it for us to use for our Defember prompts. So in a little bit, I'm going to open this box and take a look at what Stacy has shared with me. But I also wanted to tell you about another collaboration that I'm going to be in. I am a part of Teri's Crafty Christmas. I will have the information down in the description box where you can go over and find out all about that. I will be doing 4 videos for that, one each week, using a different kit each week that we have been provided for the collaboration, so I hope you'll check those out. But let's take a look at what Stacy has for me in this box. Again, we have exchanged boxes, so Stacy also has a video of what I sent her, so I will have that link down in the description box for you, where you can check out her unboxing video. I love the little stickers she's got on here. Let's take a look. She has included a lovely thank you card. I'm going to be taking a look at that. She's done a lot of distress spritz here. I'll be reading that later. This is beautiful. Stacy knows my favorite color is purple. I'm pretty sure hers is too. And I love the images she's done here. I think this is from the Autumn Witch freebie that I had for our journal Jubilee. I think that's some of the ephemera from that. Let's take a look what we've got in here. Oh, I think I got this upside down. Oh, I love this. I have commented a couple of times on Stacy's videos we did for October Oddities. I love the 3D stencils she had created, done with the 3D printing, and she's done one for me here that is skulls. I love that. All right, set that aside. Take out all our little... I'm going to take this box out. She has got a cute little box here. It's like a little cigar box. That is so neat. All right, let's see. I love this box. I'm definitely going to have to be using that. She's got some packing material. Some paper clips. I love this texture. It's like a velvet. And she's done some images. That is so pretty. We've got some doilies and very large paper clips. I love those. I love the colors of these doilies. Okay. We have a napkin. Love that. And when Stacy opens my package, she's going to be a little amiss, as I did not package mine as well as she packaged hers. I was trying to decide what I wanted to put in her package, and I couldn't decide, so I just crammed as much as I could possibly fit in her envelope. So it is not packaged very well. I'm sorry, Stacy. She's given me some stamps. Love these. Another tag that's embossed. Looks like some handmade paper. Oh, old shorthand book. That's cool. see what we got here. Some more vintage ephemera, like delivery, express delivery packages, some vintage flashcards, some cool foiled 6x6 paper, more of the 3D stencils. I love this. I've actually been thinking about trying to make some with my Cricut machine, but it definitely won't have the sturdiness that these 3D ones have. Thank you, Stacy. I love those. Oh, she's giving me a Tree of Life wax seal here. I think these might be made with hot glue. That's really cool. Got a thistle. And let's see, is that a flower? Yeah, and that one's a flower. That's super cool. I love these vintage images, these cards. I think this is, I can't remember the name of the machine that you're supposed to look at these through, but it's supposed to give you like a 3D effect to look at these. Those are really cool. I always liked looking at those. Got some more ephemera with some distress in here. I think she did this on an old book. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. Almost like tweed. Have a little petal envelope. Love that. Love the colors. And it looks like she did some embossing, or maybe that was with when she cut out the circles. I think she created this little petal envelope with circles. That's neat. I hadn't thought about that before. Close that back up. We've got another card. Some distressed book page. The star. Some rubber matting. This always comes in handy. I love using this for both texture, and I have tried it a couple of times with using it for stamping, and that has worked really well. So I love that. This is cool. Got a little dangle. The little acorn and beading. Got a paper bag. There's something in it. Let's see if I can figure out what that is. Some twine. Some paper beads and a button. Those are cool. Love that. Tie that back up so I don't lose it. I love this floral leaf trim. That is cool. That is a lot. Oh, wow. That is neat. That would be really pretty hanging down on the top of a journal and wrapping around. Oh, I'm getting a lot of ideas. I'll be here all day if I sit here and go through all my ideas. Let's see. This is a cool little envelope all in its own. Let's see what she's got in the envelope. Love that envelope. Got a moth. These are metal. The leaf. Oh, I love that rusty key. That's cool. Put those back in there. Vintage tag. Year, make, model, color, serial number, code, options. Wonder if that was for cars. Year, because it says year, make, and model. That's neat. A wooden flower. Little planner style chipboard. Some dragonflies, which you know I love. We had a very similar idea. If you'll catch that in the video, using the washi tape wrapped around something. Another distressed book page. Oh, this is a beautiful image. Love that. I always love botanicals. Some vellum. Actually, it feels waxed. I don't know if Stacy made that with waxed paper. That's cool. And then she stitched around it. That's cool. And we have a little booklet with different textured papers. These always make for great journaling notebooks. More of that waxed look. I love this. That definitely feels like it has a vintage vibe to it. Got a mini masterboard and book page on the back. Got another dangle with a paper clip. A Chinese coin. And some corrugated cardboard. These are all great, and I'm getting a lot of ideas already. I don't even know what the prompts are going to be for this year's Defember. I'm really excited. They should be coming out today. So if you're following along with 49 Dragonflies and Louisa Heinzel's Defember, be sure to go over and grab those prompts today. And be sure to follow Stacy and I on our journey for doing the prompts with the supplies that we have shared. I feel like it's going to be a lot of fun. We have not decided exactly yet if we're doing these videos daily or weekly, so I will keep you updated on what we decide about that. But I am super excited to use all the great goodies that Stacy has given me here. They are wonderful. I'm especially excited about these 3D stencils and all the vintage ephemera she has shared. So let me get this all packed back in so I don't lose anything, so I can keep up with my ideas all in the little box. I love this box. I'm actually wondering if I can create a journal that would fit back in this box. Well, my friends, that concludes another lovely day here in the attic. Keep your inspiration close and your heart open. We've got so much more beauty ahead. So until next time, y'all take care.